Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to find the relevant Instagram hashtags for your photo. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a computer, a tablet, or mobile phone, and then we can go to Safari, go to the search box and type in Instagram tag generator. Go to the first link, which is called ingrammar.com, and now we can browse for a photo. The photo for this tutorial we'll be using is HTML5. So now browse, click on the photo. The photo will be analyzed once you press upload, and then give us the relevant tags required for your photo. And now we can see many tags. Choose the best 30 tags for your photo: photography, type design, Photoshop, designer, illustrator, graphic design, font style, logo, Adobe, design, graphic designer, computer graphics, and then find 30 relevant hashtags to your post, and then we can copy the selected hashtags, open up a Word document, blank document, and now paste all the tags for your photo. When it comes to uploading to Instagram, Command S to save. Instagram tags, save to the desktop. Quit Word, quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.